In this stage, we'll be exporting data into files, in case you want to save them for future reference or open them up in a different software, such as your favorite spreadsheet application. CSV stands for comma-separated values. The CSV format is a very common data format to export or import data. Most spreadsheet and database applications offer export and import for CSV files. CSV files generally store tables of data by fields and records. Each field in the record is separated by a comma within the CSV file, and generally new records start on a new line. This is what a CSV file looks like that has been exported from Excel. Writing to a CSV file is just as simple as reading from a CSV file. The CSV module in Python provides a write object that allows you to write and save data in this format. The syntax and parameters of the write object are very similar to the syntax for the read object. The syntax for the write object can be expressed as csv.writer with the CSV file name and the optional formatting parameters. The writer function of the object is initialized with the csv.writer statement. The CSV file argument is used to indicate the name of the CSV file that needs to be written into. The dialect argument is optional, but it can be used to specify a format for the CSV file output. The second parameter, formatting params, is an optional parameter that allows you to specify the format of the data to be written. We're going to write some code to write out data into CSV formats. Let's see what it looks like. Now, we already imported CSV in our first video, but we're just going to do it again here so that you have the visual reminder to use that. Now, we're going to write a function here. We're going to say write to file. We're going to pass in the file name, and then we're going to use the data sample. We're going to use the CSV writer object. And what we want to do here is say open the file name. And we're going to use write. The encoding we're just going to set to a universal one just to be on the safe side. Dialect we can say is equal to Excel so that it can be imported by Excel. And so let's write every row. Here, let's export our silk ties into the data folder. And say stage 4 silk ties. That was a typo. And now let's try it again. And what I'm going to do is list everything inside the data folder that starts with S4 and is a CSV file. So we have here the silk ties. Writing out data to files is useful for when you want to save a copy on your hard drive. And you can use it as an attachment to email to someone else, or it's just easier to read in files later if you want to work with a smaller data sample.